Spit, dribble, slobber, whatever you call it, saliva really is wonderful stuff and important for keeping our mouths healthy and clean. But where does it come from? Well, to help us discover that, we need the help of a gleeker.
A what?
A gleeker, you know what a gleeker is?
Well, yes, I do know what a gleeker is. I mean, of course I know what a gleeker is. I just don't think we have one. You know, in the cupboard of everything.
That isn't a problem, Xand. Leave it to me.
Attention everyone, this is Dr. Chris. With any gleekers in the hospital, please make their way to the secret lab immediately. That is all.
Now we just need to wait.
Come in.
Hi, Chris.
Hi, Jack.
I heard you needed a gleeker.
In that case, you can do that thing that gleekers do.
I think it would just be easier if I show you that.
Great. Gleek away.
Xand! Wait! You're going to need these.
What? What for?
For the gleeking.
Oh, the gleeking, yes, of course. Of course I need these for the gleeking.
Stand back. Gleek away. Wow!
That's amazing!
I think we need to see that one more time in slow motion.
Jack is doing this in the name of science, but remember, we're in the don't try this at home lab. Got it? When Jack gleeks, he's squirting saliva from his submandibular salivary gland out through a duct under his tongue called the Wharton duct. And that's it right there.
So you have two other sets of saliva glands. Your parotids, which sit here and release saliva into your cheeks, and your sublingual glands, which release saliva under your tongue. Well, thank you, Jack, to you and your amazing saliva glands.
You're very welcome, Which is the quickest way out of here?
Oh, the quickest way is that door on the right.
OK.
Now we've got a gleeker in the cupboard of everything.
Whether you can gleek or not, you do have the same salivary glands as Jack.
Well, why do you need saliva?
As well as keeping your mouth fresh and healthy, saliva has another very important job. It helps you eat and swallow. It's 99% water, but there's a magic 1% containing mucus, which is what makes saliva slippery and slimy and helps you swallow.
Now, if you want to know what this 1% magic mix does to the water in your saliva, well, this is something you can try at home. Wash your hands and then take a pinch of saliva between your thumb and forefinger, like this. And then if you lift your thumb and finger apart very slowly, what you can see is a strand of mucus with little beads on it. Now, that is made by long protein molecules. That's what makes the water thick and helps it act as a lubricant for food.
So to show you how amazing your mucousy saliva is, I bring you the Spit Slide Challenge.